I really wanted to put a lot of work into this video, but I have to get to it quickly because there is a bunch of these available right now, all different kinds of designs of this exact one, including a lot of other ones. Here is the titanium COA. Awesome way to have, you know, a certificate of authenticity. This is awesome. It's got Herman's signature down there. It is a titanium card. Now, I also have another video coming up soon. That's also why I'm getting to this one a little quicker, because I have another one coming up. But this is the Micro Sting. And look, my goodness, look at that. My goodness, look at that. So not only do we have a really cool setup with the oil, the driver, and the cutout to the pad that is the exact same dimensions as the knife. You can tell it's like an exact picture of the knife. It's even textured, you can feel it. But look at this gorgeous piece. It has a quilt. It has a quilt milled into it. It looks like a damn sewn quilt. And there is a bunch of different versions, including larger versions, because there's, you know, because Herman has a bunch of different models. There's other models with this pattern as well. This one just happens to be the Micro Sting. And look at that. Doesn't that just look... I've never seen anything like that. I think that thing looks so cool. You got the starburst pattern on this side, the titanium mill pocket clip with a pocket underneath. These things are nice and long, so the springiness is really nice, and there's lots of room underneath considering there's that pocket. Always perfectly centered. Dead nuts centered. You have the polished screw heads on this side. You can see there's the screws, and they're polished over there. Let's flip this baby open. This thing is, I thought, because the little ones have a nice sound to it. Not like the big ones, but still really cool. We'll pull up a big Sting here in 1 second. But the detents are definitely lighter. Now, while I thought for a second they had a light detent, I sat here and tried to fail it and realized that it is lighter than the big ones, but there we go. It's not easy to fail, even with this light detent, because it just has this perfect crispiness of a detent that just pops it right open. Now, we're also going to check out one other Micro Sting. But first, let's take a look at the big Sting next to the Micro Sting. Now, like I said, tons of options available right now. A whole bunch of these dropped, including a whole bunch of micros and a whole bunch of other models. This is the regular Sting. Now, to me, this is a regular size knife. It's not a large knife. It's not a small knife. It's just a regular size knife. You can get a full 4-finger grip to it. Listen to the sound of this one, though. Now, this one has a strong detent. Like, watch, I'll try to break it. Like, I'm putting pressure, like a lot. It is so snappy. This thing almost has recoil. Watch my hand. And then watch the drop. Very, very smooth. Nice sound. The hand satin finish on the L-Max blade looks really good. Love the starburst pattern once again. And this one has somewhat of like a polished starburst, while this one's more of like a blasted, or no, more of a stone-washed starburst. You can see we got the 6-shooter pivot. Love his pivots. He's even got some with inlays. And like I said, I do have something else coming very, very soon that you guys will be seeing that is going to be a video with a lot more work put into it. But this one is just something, you know, I really, really wanted to bring it to your guys' attention because they are available right now, and I want to give you guys an opportunity to see them before they're gone. Let's look at this other one really quick. Check out this Herman box. What a gorgeous package, right? Isn't this a beautiful way to package a knife? Oh, open it up. We got the little tool, and we have a full dress Micro Sting. My goodness, look at this full dress. This is all Timascus, and look at this thing. It almost looks like hair, doesn't it? The weave from the Timascus. I think that is just beautiful. I love that. Yeah, it has a weave. Again, exact same detent. Like these two are the exact same. If you listen, you can even hear it. Even almost sounds the same. This one's a little bit more broken in, but exact same detent where it feels light, but it just, the detent just breaks a little lighter, but it's just, it still snaps out there like perfectly. And I'm not trying to put any effort in it. I'm just breaking the detent. If I want to put effort, you know, you can snap it out there real quick. And then if you watch the drop, these things are very, very, very smooth. But the big ones, whole nother animal. With the sound, you know, and with the detent, like this feels like 10 times stronger as far as the detent goes compared to them. And I'm not trying to say like the small ones are bad and this is 10 times better. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying the difference in the strength of the break of the detent. But like I said, these are very, very, very well tuned, just tuned lighter, but not lighter to where you can feel it though, which is a weird feeling. Because usually when I feel a detent like this, like that's light, I'll wind up failing it. Or not, if I try to fail it, I'll fail it. But with this one, I can try to fail it and it just doesn't want to fail. Anyways, these knives, like I said, there's a ton of them available. Polish custom knives. They do really, really good work. Herman has amazing, amazing knives, and Polish custom knives has a lot of other knives available as well. Not just Herman's, but other Polish makers' knives that are really nice, like beautiful, beautiful pieces. Now, these are custom made, so they are a little bit more expensive, but for what you're getting, man, you're getting a lot with these. You know, they're so well tuned. The fit, finish, tolerances, action, sound. The sound alone is something unique because they all have a unique sound. They might be a little different from one another, but all of them, especially the large ones, just have this sound that to me is just a beautiful sound. It's almost like listening to, you know, a beautiful song on a piano or something, or a guitar. Very, very cool. Anyways, I will link everything I can down in the description for you guys. Like I said, I have a really cool video coming really soon for you guys to check out. You guys are going to want to see that. You're not going to want to miss it because I found my absolute favorite Herman, hands down. Anyways, there you guys go. If you guys like this type of content, I'll put some cards up on the screen. Work hard, stay tough. Until next time, peace.